Good morning. It's origami time. Okay, so today I will use yellow paper. You can use any color. Okay, red, yellow, of course, blue, pink, white. Yeah, many color is okay. And one paper. Okay, are you ready? First, so make a triangle. Make a triangle. What are we going to make now? Okay, like this. Next time, so this point to this point. This point to this point, like this. Okay, this point to this point, this point to this point, like this. Okay, try. Are you ready to next step? Okay, next. This one go to this point. This point go to this point. The other side, the same one. Okay, try. Yes. Okay, I'm done now. Okay, yes, next time, so okay, fold like this. So this side is, the other side is nothing on the paper. Okay, so this side, okay, fold like this and make a triangle. Okay, now, okay, upside down, and here, inside, reverse fold, that's difficult for me. Inside, reverse fold, like this. What's this? Yes, it's a bird. It's a bird. Can you see? Yeah, it's a bird. 今日作ったのはこれですね。bird、鳥ですね。ぜひ作ってみてください。いろんな色で作るのもいいかと思います。はい、写真送ってくれたりね、ご感想ありがとうございます。また、次回も頑張って練習したいと思います。では、See you!